Yeah, I think I've ridden these for 25 years. If you want hardware that's going to work and last a long time and not strip out, these are the ones to go with, is the pound-in. Hi, I'm Jim Mallardo. I own Starlight Skatepark skate shop, and this is a directional video on how to install Screw City hardware. When you use the pound-ins, you want to get a brand new board, grip it, poke the holes in it, and then put all the hardware in all the holes. Push them in all the way to where, as far as they'll go. Get the truck on there. You could start with one end first. Grab a typical hammer, tap them in a little bit, just so they stay in. Then turn them back, tighten them up the rest of the way. On most machinery, you're supposed to tighten the opposite sides crossways first, and then do the other ones. You want to do one in the top corner, tighten it down. Don't over tighten them too. It's a bad idea to over tighten most hardware. And then you move to the next ones and do the other cross bolts so it evenly tightens it down. These are nice too because you'll be street skating and very rarely will you have trucks with the hardware come loose. They don't come loose like they do for normal crappy hardware that most people use. And tighten them to where you can just feel them get sucked in a little bit. There it is. Nice and flush. They stay nice and tight. Good to go.